Hello everyone, today I'm going to talk about slow cooking versus fast cooking under the topic of food technology. I made this case study when I was in 7th standard for a school project. What is slow cooking first? Slow cooking is when you make the food slowly and you cook the food at a low flame. This preserves the nutrition of the food. While fast cooking on the other hand destroys the nutrition of the food and is made in a short time with the flame at high. So abstract. Objective: to determine the effect of slow cooked and fast cooked food in our health. Study selection: a single blind research carried out in a controlled environment and findings are correlated with facts to derive a conclusion. So what is a single blind study? A single blind study is when the judges know which sample is which, but the participants who test the samples don't know which sample is which. Conclusion: slow cooked food is a much healthier choice, and these food preserve nutrients, flavor, and saves a lot of energy. Introduction. So in this project, I compared the process of slow cooked and fast cooked food. The benefits of the better one. I completed a single blind study to evaluate the findings. So first, I cooked a potato korma in both slow cooked and fast cooking process, keeping the ingredients constant. To keep the ingredients constant, I cut a single potato and one half went in the slow cooking pan and the other went in the fast cooking pan, so that the ingredients used were made sure not to change. Salt, oil, chili, and all the other ingredients are equally measured, and the only variable is the speed of flame and time consumed. Once both dishes were ready, 9 people tested the cooked food. They did not know which one was slow cooked and which one was fast cooked. We recorded slow cooked food as sample 1 and fast cooked food as sample 2. Hence, this research is a single blind study. 9 people tested sample 1 and 2 based on texture, appearance, aroma, and preferences. All of the collected data are recorded in a bar graph. So findings. So this is the findings based on the 9 people who described the slow cooked and fast cooked food. So the people described the slow cooked food as chewy, had a bite, enriched in taste, original taste of potato was there, appearance was whitish, aroma was pleasant, and people preferred that more. People described fast cooked food as soft, easy to chew, nicely blended masala, aroma was from masala, appearance was dark in color. So the case study, a single variable blind study. These are the constants. We started by putting 2 earthen pots on the stove, as you can see here by the photos. I cutted 15 small onions for each, 3 potatoes for each, 2 spoons of peanut oil, 1 inch of ginger, 4 pieces of garlic, half piece of green chili. Half piece means that one went in this, one went to the other one. Half cut coconut, 4 pieces of cashew nut, 1 pinch of turmeric, half teaspoon of salt. So the variables were that the speed of flame for slow cooked food was 1 and the speed of flame for fast cooked food was 3. The time consumed for slow cooked food was 44 minutes, while the time consumed for fast cooked food was 23 minutes. So you can see the pictures here. The right one is the slow cooked one and the left one is the fast cooked one. You can see that the right one, the slow cooked food, potato korma, is in whitish, and the right hand side, the fast cooked food, potato korma, the color is from the masala. So statistics on what I have tested on research. For taste, slow cooked and fast cooked food were preferred the same, and texture, fast cooked food was preferred more. Due to appearance, slow cooked food was preferred more, and due to aroma, both were tested similarly. And preferences was slow cooked food. This I took half people who preferred or ate fast cooked food in their life, and half people who ate slow cooked food in their life. So facts. According to the literature and previous scientific research, slow cooking helps bring out the flavor of the food. Slow cooking uses less energy than an oven. Slow cooked preserves the nutrition in food which can better be absorbed by our body. Fast cooked food destroys the nutrition of the ingredients and the nature of the ingredients. Most of the overcooked spoiled nutrients are eliminated by our body and our liver does this job. So burning our liver. So slow cooked food brings out the flavor of the food, while fast cooked food destroys the original flavor. So for example, mild hot sesame oil is medicine, whereas overcooked sesame oil is a burden to the liver. as it has to eliminate the destroyed nutrition. Moreover, slow cooking uses less energy and fast cooking requires a lot of energy. So scenarios. United States have eaten fast food and they are getting fat. Eating fast food is frequently blamed for damaging our health. As nutrition experts point out, it's not the healthiest type of meal since it's typically high in fat and salt. So more widely, it's the key factor in growing obesity epidemic in the US and throughout the world. So anecdotes. According to the WHO, World Health Organization, 603 million adults and 107 million children out of the total population, 7.5 billion, are obese. India stays in the least obese countries. So conclusion. We also found that people who naturally chose fast cooked food are mild obese and the people who chose slow cooked food look lean and healthy. So hereby concluding that slow cooked food are better for our health, and I urge everyone to avoid and limit fast cooked food and naturally increase their preferences for slow cooked food. So future perspectives. In my study, I included only 9 people and I done a single blind study. You can give good results if more people are included and for case study and a double blind study are conducted. A double blind study is when the judges don't know which sample is which, even the participants don't know which sample is which. So just suggestions. I suggest that we should eat more better healthy food. They have nutritions and more people should eat them. All people who should not eat more fast foods and eat more slow cooked food. So references. I referred off these two websites and I was also helped by my mom. Thank you.